guys, today I'm going to be doing a chest stand tutorial. So let's get started, but wait. First, I just want to say that chest stands take a lot of practice and you don't get them in a first try. And it takes a bit to learn how to do them. So let's get started. When you go up, make sure not to have your wrists in like this, because it's very unsafe. Make sure to have them out like this to catch yourself when you roll up into a chest stand, because if you didn't, you could terribly hurt yourself with your wrists and they'd be sore. So it'll take a lot of practice to go actually up into a chest stand, because it takes a lot of core strength, and I think that if you don't know how to do a chest stand, then you should get like a friend to help you. So just go up and then have your friend hold your legs up, but make sure that they don't hold your legs like this. Make sure that they hold them like this, right together. Like my legs are together and I'm not tickling my feet all weird. So yeah, make sure they don't do that, because that can ruin your point in your feet and stuff. Okay, so when you're up in a chest stand and you feel like your back is hurting because you're like, oh, I want to do a bendy chest stand or something like that, make sure you're stretched before so you don't hurt yourself again, and bend forward a lot when your back hurts, because, oh, and also, if you're doing a bendy chest stand, I'm going to tell you guys how to get better at a bendy chest stand later in this video. So when you do it, and then you come up and you're like, oh, I'm so stretched, and then you go, oh, I'm going to go watch TV. And you come up and you come back like 10 minutes later and try it. It's going to hurt your back, because when you do something flexible with your back and like, let's say, wait for over 5 minutes and then come back to it, your back is not going to be stretched anymore. It's either going to hurt, it's going to be very stiff. So that's why every day I try to stay really flexible and do a bunch of stuff. So that was a little warning there, and let's get to how to do the bendy one. So how to do the bendy one is you just need to have like a lot of back flexibility. A little bit is okay, because you can still practice every day, and yeah. So to do a bendy chest stand, the thing is, not everybody can bend over that far. Like, some people can't go that far. I know a lot of people who can, and that's mostly because I'm in a class with a bunch of other girls who can do this. But anyways, a lot of people can. A lot of people I know can, but some people who can't. You just need to make sure your back is stretched. If it's not, and you just go, and you think, oh, why can't I do this? I watched a tutorial. Then that's because you need to stretch first. And my last tips about the chest stand, normal chest stand, is that you can't do this. You have to stick straight up, unless if you're trying to do like something weird. Like a chest stand position or something. Like if you're doing a stagging pose or something, I don't know. Like weird. I think you should try to hit the it up first instead of like doing a weird pose with your feet. Because if you start learning it like this, I don't think that's gonna work, because when you try a real chest stand, you're gonna be like, why can't I do this? So yeah, guys, this is the tutorial, and I'm giving shout outs. So the 2 shout outs for today are Dragon Master 8 and Tiffany DeWilde. So go subscribe to them. And if you're wondering why I was away, well, most of you aren't, but I was away on a snowy mountain. I took a gondola all the way up there. It was really fun. And me and my mom stayed in a hotel room. It was really fun. Somewhere in this universe. We stayed up in a hotel somewhere for a dance competition. And I got a contortion award. Wait, I think I can show you guys that. I'll be right back. I am back, and it says it's a contortion award that I won at the competition. And bye, guys. And if you guys, well, it looks like somebody is looking for my phone. Siblings upstairs. So I gotta go before they take my phone. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a